Introduction. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to achieve success on YouTube without ever appearing on camera. In this tutorial, we will provide you with practical and actionable steps to build a thriving YouTube channel discreetly. Unlike many other guides, we focus on delivering real insights and strategies, leaving you with actionable takeaways to kickstart your YouTube journey. I'm Dwayne, your guide from Tube Money, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for a constant stream of exciting content. If you have any questions or thoughts to share, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. I value your questions, thoughts, and input. Why choose YouTube? First and foremost, you might be wondering why YouTube is the ideal platform for generating income, especially if you prefer to remain anonymous. The advantages are numerous. You can operate your channel from anywhere, and age is not a limiting factor. I began my YouTube venture at 60, and I'm here to guide you through my journey. The beauty of YouTube lies in its ability to turn your efforts into lasting income. Unlike traditional businesses that require constant attention, YouTube videos serve as digital assets, continually generating revenue over time. To unlock this potential, I will share 4 essential secrets with you. Secret 1, choosing the right niche. Let's start with secret number 1, selecting the best niche for making money on YouTube without showing your face. A niche is a specific content category that you focus on. Here are some high-performing niches that can save you time and boost your chances of success. Health. Explore topics like fitness, wellness, and natural remedies. Wealth. Consider niches like online income, investments, and luxury living. Happiness. Dive into subjects like personal development and self-confidence. Relationships. Discuss relationship tips, getting an ex back, or solving relationship problems. Travel. Create travel guides and share destination ideas. Technology. Cover trending tech, tutorials, or product reviews. If your niche isn't mentioned, don't worry. You can still succeed as long as videos in that niche consistently reach over 100,000 views. We'll also share some bonus niches later in the article. Secret 2, content creation without a camera. Creating content without appearing on camera is a key strategy. Here are 8 methods to get you started. Stock videos. Use stock video websites like Pixabay or Pexels, and edit with software like OpenShot or OBS. Tutorials. Create instructional videos by recording your screen using free software like OBS. Slideshows. Craft informative slideshows using Google Slides and provide your insights. Stock photos. Utilize AI to create stories with stock photos and a voiceover. Whiteboard videos. Employ software like VideoScribe to make engaging visual presentations. Animated videos. Create animations using tools like Animaker. Mind map. Videos. Summarize books with Xmind and screen recording. Additionally, consider outsourcing video creation as your channel grows. Platforms like Upwork allow you to hire professionals, freeing up your time for channel management. Secret 3, going viral with metadata. The third secret is all about optimizing your video metadata, including titles, descriptions, and tags. Consistently using specific tags and keywords across your videos creates a feedback loop that keeps viewers engaged and boosts your video's visibility. Secret 4, monetization. Finally, secret number 4 deals with monetizing your channel. You can earn from ad revenue, digital products, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Target high CPM, cost per milla, niches, create longer videos for more ads, and explore other income streams. Exploring other opportunities. If you're not interested in creating an online course, affiliate marketing is an excellent alternative. Partner with existing course creators through platforms like Digistore24 and ClickBank and promote their products for a share of the sales. Sponsorships are another revenue stream, and companies may reach out as your channel grows. Negotiate terms and integrate sponsored products into your content. Consider expert guidance. If you're new to YouTube or want to accelerate your growth, seeking guidance from experienced creators can be invaluable. One such program is Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, a successful YouTuber. The program provides structured guidance, templates, and access to a supportive community. So before I wrap this up, I wanted to remind you to kindly share your thoughts and inquiries in the comments section below, and feel free to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. This is your chance to change your life by building a successful YouTube channel without showing your face. If you're ready to start this journey, consider enrolling in Tube Mastery and Monetization. It's structured, comprehensive, and supported by an experienced community. Please remember that success in this field requires dedication and hard work. Matt Parr and his program can't guarantee specific results, but they can equip you with the knowledge and strategies that successful YouTube entrepreneurs use. Click the link below to explore the program and take your first step toward YouTube success. Don't hesitate, the time to start your journey is now. We look forward to welcoming you on the other side.